that extension of thy kingdom. That time we are not, things will be expected early, but because of you, now we are in Kangrai, Tripura. We are in school building, we are in church building and water. Now we are missionaries and teachers of the school. And the students who study here, thank you for the blessing which we receive from you. The past till today, Lord, I cannot do anything for you. Today, as a mission director, I visit Kangrai, Tripura, Emmanuel English Medium Public School. I bless in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Lord, thank you for the missionary who is working hardly, many painful life and difficult time. Lord, you never say, you never let Lambon become. Thank you for Headmaster's son. Thank you for Kumbiti. Thank you for Hospitalian. Thank you for James. Thank you for Bo. Thank you for Lord, I cannot give anything. I cannot do anything for them. Bless everyone so that these small children will be growing through their language, through their ministry, especially in this school ministry. Lord, I pray for the students. Some will be very, very difficult. Some will be Christian. Some will be non-Christian. Lord. One day, through these school students, Kangrai area should change because of the work of the Holy Spirit. Lord, thank you for the teachers.